Hello everyone, so for today's video I have a grocery haul for you guys. I figured it's been a while since I filmed one of these. Now this may seem like a lot of groceries, but we literally had no food in the house because I hadn't been to the grocery store in forever because we've been sick. So starting off over here, I got 4 apples and then a container of these blueberries. These were on sale for like $1, or maybe they were $2. What I love to do with these is put them in the freezer and they make a great snack, frozen blueberries. I got a head of iceberg lettuce, a bag of romaine hearts, and Kyle really wanted a tree, as he calls them, for a snack, so I let him get a broccoli head. A bunch of bananas, I got some cottage cheese, there's some carrots over here, an onion for the chili I'm gonna make. 2 green bell peppers, these were on sale for 69 cents a piece. I got some more French vanilla coffee creamer, a gallon of milk. I got 2 sour creams, these were on sale. And then the cheese was on sale, so I got a whole bunch of bags of shredded cheese. I got some cheese sticks. I got 2 different blocks of cheese. Package of hot dogs. I got some honey turkey back there, some Idaho potatoes, a package of bacon, some French vanilla K-cup. I got a bag of tortilla rounds and then some regular tortilla chips, 2 loaves of whole wheat bread, 2 boxes of vanilla pudding, 2 packages of flour tortillas, and the butter was on sale, so I stocked up and got 3 boxes of those. Box of chewy chocolate chip granola bars, and then I got my husband some beef jerky and also some cracked pepper sunflower seeds. Over here for canned goods, I got the 4-pack of French style green beans, 4-pack of corn. I got some diced tomatoes, some red enchilada sauce, some kidney beans, a can of chicken breast. These are great for making chicken salad for chicken salad sandwiches. And then lastly, I got 10 yogurts. These are always 10 for $4 at Fry's. And that's everything that I got at Fry's. Now I'll show you the grocery items that I got at Walmart. First down here, I got a package of these cheddar cheese crackers. I like to put these in my husband's lunches. And then I got 2 packages of these strawberry cream wafer cookies and then vanilla cream. These are so good and we haven't had these in a long time, so I got these as a little splurge. I got a box of taco shells to have tacos one night. And then back here I got Kyle some Honey Nut O cereal. This is basically Honey Nut Cheerios, just a generic brand. And then I got my husband some Apple Jacks. And then I got myself some apples and cinnamon oatmeal. I haven't had this stuff in like 6 months and it's my favorite. We also haven't had microwave popcorn in probably over a year because I've been making it on the stove in a pan. And we've been loving that, but we're kind of getting burned out on it, so I decided to try some microwave popcorn again. A box of some white instant rice. 2 boxes of graham crackers. I got cinnamon and honey graham crackers. A bag of honey bunches of oats granola for our yogurt. A container of quick oats, A1 sauce, sweet baby Ray barbecue sauce, jug of chunky salsa, some classic Caesar dressing, got a jar of some Queen olives, and lastly I got a package of double stuffed Oreos. I shouldn't have gotten these, but we've really been wanting Oreos, so I decided to get some. And that's all the groceries that I got today. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.